How to book a car in Zipcar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search zipcar.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on street name and city and type in your city. Then pickup time, which is pickup date. Then select pickup time as you want. You can select return date as well. After you've clicked on return date, simply select the one you prefer and then select return time and such. After you've searched in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here on the left side, you'll find all the available cars. From here, you can simply click on it and book one from the left side. It's not available in my region. It will be available in your region. This is how to book a car in Zipcar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.